how to read a payment platform report to produce invoice in Xero. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to read a Sumup report and then create a invoice over here in Xero. So on the hand side of the screen here, we've got the Excel spreadsheet that we've downloaded from Sumup. They come in all shapes and sizes, these reports, and so you might have to tidy it up a little, remove columns, add columns in, etc. But this is what we're working with today. So as you can see, this is for It's Faye, sells hot and cold drinks, hot and cold takeaway food, and there's quite a few transactions on there. I think we're looking at a week's worth of sales that start as in the data. So I'm going to put a filter on, and I'm also going to freeze the top row so I can see my column headings. See, we've got the net price of each item there. We've got VAT at 20%, and there is also some Xero rated. So the cold food takeaways Xero rated. We've got the total price, and then this is a sum fee column. So we go to the bottom and total those columns up, and there we go. Okay, so going over to the Xero side, let's create a new sales invoice. Contact here is Sumup. Now port is for the 6th of February 25, so that is going to be the issue date of the invoice. It's paid immediately. We just do that for the due date, and then we go down to the description. So we've got food and drink. Filter it here between, because we need to split the food and drink between cent VAT and Xero rated. Remember to change that to Xero rated income. There we go. Okay, right, get the actual net figures for each of the think filter. So we take out all the zeros for 20%. Make sure there's no blanks, which there isn't, and apply. Quite a lot of 20%, because that's the majority of the sales. And what I'm trying to do here now is get the total net figure for all those 20% VAT sales. So the figure there at the bottom is 1573.58. And there, as you can see, it's calculated the 314.72 VAT, which matches what we've got under 20% VAT. So that's cool. Clear that filter. And then you can either do the difference between the total net sales and that, or we can filter it again and select Xero in there. And we've only got a few of those items. It's £64.11. Let's clear that filter, and let's just do a double check on the total. So the gross total 1952.41, and that's what we've got on the invoice. So what I also want to do is attach this to the invoice. I'll always come back to it and have a look at how we've calculated those figures. Download this, go to attach files, upload file. There's the document, Sumup report, the 6th of February 25. And that's in there now. We go to approve, and there we have it, awaiting payment.